What's up guys, I'm Bella and welcome to another Frog Food. This is part 2 of my Rainbow High series. Today I will be drawing Jade, Skyler, and Krystal. I know the purple is supposed to be Violet, but I switched her out for Krystal just because she had a much more rich purple color and I liked it better. So sorry Vibe fans, but I'm taking some artistic liberties. We will be drawing these characters as anime girls today, so let's get started. We will be continuing the rainbow. Today I'm using an iPad Pro, Apple Pencil, and PROCREATE. And the brush I'm using is the raw texture brush from the Snazzy brush pack. First thing we're gonna do is the rough sketch. The rough draft is done, and here are the girls wearing their signature looks. Jade has her cute beanie and puffer coat. Skyler has her long, luscious hair and jean jacket. And Krystal has her purple jean jacket, headband, and curls. Like, look at her curls. They're amazing. Now it's time for line art.
Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air getting there. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over.
Line art is done. I love the lashes, and now it's time for the color palette. Here we have Jade. She's pretty much all green, but I'm seeing some blue eyes, and she has a nice black shirt. Here is Skyler. She obviously loves denim with the denim top, jean jacket, and white undershirt. Finally is Krystal. She has some deep purple hair, a purple jean jacket, and her shirt is like sparkly, like a galaxy sparkle sort of thing. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that, but we'll figure it out. Now that we have our color palette, let's color.
Rolex or your credit card. Still you won't quit trying to be cool, so here we go again. Here we go again. You got nothing on me.
base colors are done. Now it's time for shading.
And it gets you in a dancing flow, and moving gets so easy, feeling easy to me. And it makes you kicking upward slow, and living gets so easy, easy. And again and again and again and again and again and again, I want this flow. Oh, baby. And again and again and again and again and again and again, I play it on. Sing, sing, you gotta sing to believe it. Sing to believe it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sing, sing, sing. If you can sing, you can feel it. Get in, get out. Just go for the top. Sing along. Everybody wanna sing, sing, sing. Take it on. They've got a song, they hum along, and they have fun, fun, fun when they're moving to the beats. And it gets you in a dancing flow, and moving gets so easy, feeling easy to me. And it makes you kicking upward slow, and living gets so easy, easy. And again and again and again and again and again and again, I play it on. Sing, 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 you gotta sing to believe it. Sing.
And we're done. I finished the shading and the picture is complete. Which means the rainbow is now complete. With Krystal subbing for Violet. Let's take a close-up look at the newest characters. Jade looks amazing. We got her anti-Sparkle Club t-shirt where you can't really tell what it says, but I mean, you get the vibe, it's there. I tried the same technique on her puffer coat as I did with Poppy's. I think I got pretty spot on. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. Her eyes in the picture are kind of difficult for me to tell what color they are. They look a bluish, grayish, greenish color, but then on the doll, her eyes are like bright blue, so this turquoise is like pretty spot on. I took some artistic liberties with her shorts. I gave her some green jeans, and her hair, I put it inside of the puffer coat instead of outside like it is. I didn't feel like drawing all that hair, so this was much easier. Next up is Skyler. Now, I have a confession. When I was planning everyone's looks, like the whole rainbow, I was only intending to do the first 5. So by the time I got to her, I was so tired. And I was like, man, we'll just see her back. Like, whatever, it doesn't matter. And then the next day, I was like, okay, I'll do purple. And then I had all this energy, which is why she's so complicated. And this took a lot of time. But yeah, Skyler does look pretty good though, regardless. Even if we're just looking at her back. And her pose is so different that it really makes her stand out with all the other characters. She is one of my favorites though. I love her hair. It's so long and luscious. And the highlights do look really, really nice. I like those. And her eyes, I really like the way I drew them. And they look really like charming and cartoony. The way the outline here on her, the shine of her eye, looks really nice. I did the same thing to Sunny. And yeah, I literally did it. And then I was like, you know what, I'll just do that. Give it a little personality without trying too hard. And then that's how it turned out. It turned out great. Krystal came out really good. She's a lot more complicated because, like I said, I had a lot more energy and ideas when I started her. I wasn't able to get the glitter on her shirt like she does in the reference, but it does have a sort of pastel shimmer to it, so I'm alright with it. The jacket was a lot of work. I can't say whether the hair or the jacket was more complicated, but I do know that all these little details to make it look like actual denim was a lot of work. I do love her hair though. The curls are crisp, they're defined, they're giving. It's the moment. I love it. So there you have it, my interpretation of Rainbow High characters as anime girls. If you like this kind of video where we turn popular characters into anime girls, let us know in the comments down below. Thank you for joining us for another Frog Food. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff at the Frog Vlog, and follow me on Instagram at Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!